Okay, YouTube, I got this car for about 200 bucks. It's got this little dent in the side. I looked at getting it fixed, just trying to pop it out. And the best thing that I found was a Harbor Freight $3.99 suction cup tool. You can get this at Harbor Freight anywhere. It's pretty easy to use. For something like what happened to this car, it'll fix, but um, it really has to have a flat surface. The way it works is, if you can see those holes right there, when you suction it, it sucks all the air out of it and sticks to the car. So that's the dent right there. I'm going to place the suction cup on top of it. You have to make sure that it's flat, so it's kind of hard to do. And then you suction it and pull it out. And when you're pulling out, just make sure you keep pulling to get all of the dents out. And that's how it looks afterwards. It fixed it pretty well. I would say it got about 80% of the dent out. Now, if you look really closely, you can still see some issues with it. This is definitely a purchase I would make if you have a small dent that you want to get out, and you can at least throw $3 at it or $4 just to try it out. So hopefully this helps you, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section.